Have you ever heard of process management and Linux system administration?
Yes, I have. It's a crucial aspect of managing a Linux system.
Definitely, the top command is an indispensable tool for monitoring and managing processes. Did you know that it provides essential server information, including uptime since the last reboot, logged in users, and CPU load?
Yes, and the second row displays the number of running processes and their states. It's important to be mindful of zombie processes, completed but lingering entries in the process table, as they can impact system performance.
Row 3 details CPU utilization, indicating the percentage of CPU free and in use. Did you know that it also reveals the time a virtual CPU waits for a real CPU during hypervisor servicing?
That's right. And row 4 showcases memory utilization, providing insights into used memory. This data parallels the output of the free command, aiding in monitoring system memory health.
The fifth row illustrates swap memory utilization, essential for understanding the system's use of swap space. Similar results can be obtained through the free command. And the sixth row displays detailed information on running processes, offering a comprehensive overview. Did you know that you can sort output based on specific fields using key combinations like Shift plus F?
Yes, and it's essential to know how to manage processes effectively. For instance, we can identify and terminate a crashed process using the psaux grep command and the kill command with various signals, such as kill-9.
And in case of a desktop lockup, we can explore the use of virtual consoles, Control plus Alt plus F console, to identify and kill processes, potentially restoring desktop functionality. Understanding foreground and background jobs with the jobs command is also crucial. We can run processes in the background using the and symbol and manage them with FG to bring background processes into the foreground.
To summarize, mastering process management is essential for effective Linux system administration. Utilize commands like top, ps, kill, jobs, and FG to monitor, troubleshoot, and manage processes efficiently. Remember, Ctrl plus Z can pause a foreground process and move it to the background. Happy administering!